Pandas. Replacement with Boolean values gives inconsistent results. I have a data frame which consists of checkmarks like X and V, which I am replacing with Booleans with the following line. Before running df.replace, the type of all columns according to df.types is object. After replace, all the other columns are still object except a single column which is of type bool, and the values in it are of type number pi.bool_. PyCharm shows the specific column with red background for true values, as can be seen below. Why this might be happening? Isn't object appropriate for storing Booleans? And why is Pandas changing the type from object to bool for this single column? What exactly controls it, and how can I enforce keeping the type to object? Would there be a reason to have all columns as pandas.np.bool instead, e.g. for performance reasons?
Pandas stores series internally as numpy arrays. When a series has mixed types, Pandas numpy has to make a decision. It chooses a type which encompasses all types in that series. As a trivial example, if you have a series of integers with type int and change a single value to float, your series will become type float. In this example, your 0th and second series have nan values. Now nan, or np.nan, is considered float. Try type np.nan. This will return float, while true false are considered Boolean. The only way numpy can store these values is using dtype object, which is just a bunch of pointers, much like a list. Your first column, on the other hand, only has Boolean values and can be stored with type bool. The benefit here is since you aren't using a collection of pointers, numpy can allocate a contiguous memory block for this array. This will yield performance benefits relative to an object series or list. You can test all the above yourself. Here are some examples. The final example is interesting because in Python true equals 1 and false equals 0 both return true because bool can be considered a subclass of int. Therefore, internally, Pandas numpy has made a decision to not enforce this equality and choose one or the other. The corollary of this is that you are advised to check the type of your series when dealing with mixed types. Note also that Pandas performs checks on dtypes when you update values.
Help,